Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your late boss builder Jessica returning for another video. Honestly speaking, before I filmed this video, I had so much dialogue with myself and I had so much things on my mind, such as, am I capable of doing this video? Am I good enough to talk in front of the camera? Am I doing this right? And so much more. So much that these things are piling up and giving me anxiety. What I did was I stopped and took a deep breath and asked myself, do I really want this? And am I capable of doing this? My answer was, yes, I want this. I want this, man, so bad. I really want this, and I think that I am destined to do great things in this world, and this is where my heart is really taking me through everything. I'm gonna do this. I've decided that I'm not gonna be affected by things such as who's gonna watch my video or are gonna people judge me. I just want to do this for myself. I want to improve myself. That's it. And one more thing, I want to do this for the people who's just like me, who's thinking that they can't do whatever they want. And I'm telling you, yes, you can. I'm just gonna share with you my story, how I became this, how I became an entrepreneur. Please bear with me. I'm not used to talking in front of the camera, but I'm gonna do my best to share with you guys my story. And I hope that I'm gonna inspire someone. I'm gonna inspire some people or some lives to pursue their dreams just like me. For those who are not watching my videos, and for those who are new in this channel, my name is Jessica and I am an entrepreneur. My content are creating, building dividers or crafts that is related to wood. And now I am selling those things that I build for my income. How did I start? I don't know, way back 3 or 4 years ago during pandemic, I was reviewing for CPE board exam. But then everyone was so depressed that time. People cannot go out. Although I'm an introvert person, I am not. I'm used to staying at home and I'm used to being alone, but then the impact of that pandemic to many people was so bad. While I was reviewing, I was thinking, how am I gonna make money to help my family, to help the people that I love? And that time I was thinking a lot. I'm sure all people have different struggles, and was thinking about how am I gonna survive during that pandemic. What I did was I applied of becoming a tutor online, an English tutor, but then there was this requirement that your working space should be conducive for working, such that you should have a white background, or a proper background, what I did was I created my own divider. You can see my video how I created that divider in my channel, such as this divider. What I did was I created my divider and then applied for the job. But then when I finally got the job, passed the interview, I felt that my heart is not, it's not really what I want. That job was not the job that I really want. Luckily and good thing, someone close to me told me that I should just sell the divider that I created. And I don't have that courage to sell the things that I'm creating or the things that I'm building. But then I really need to believe in myself that I can do this. I can sell whatever I want, and I have the skill to be an entrepreneur. Back then I have no idea what manifesting is, what law of attraction is, what law of assumption or any law of life. All I know is that there is God. There is a source that is watching over us and helping us to reach our dream. I remember that night where I really prayed from the heart and told myself that, and told God that, God, this is it. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna sell whatever I wanted to sell and create whatever I wanted to create, and then it's up to you. I just lifted everything to God, and then that's it. It all started there. I remember back then, all I have is a hammer, handsaw, and the basic tools. I don't have any power tools back then. And then, I don't know, it all magically, and I don't know, it just miraculously happened. It really happened so fast that I am now here. I am now in this situation where I am doing the thing that I want, the thing that I'm passionate with, and I'm not saying that I'm already successful and I know I will be. I know I will get there. I just don't know how. But then I'm lifting everything to God, and I guess I just have to believe in myself. That's it for today's video. Don't worry, I'm still gonna, for all my viewers who are waiting for my Woodworks content, I'm still gonna create such video maybe once every 2 weeks, once a week. It depends. But I just wanna do this. I wanna share whatever things that I'm going through in this journey that I think that might help. I'm just gonna continue with sharing whatever journey that I'm taking, whatever lessons that I'm learning in this journey, to touch some lives, inspire some lives, inspire you guys. And yeah, I just want to do this also for myself. I want to become a better version of me, especially that I was used to be an introvert. I just don't want to be that person anymore. I want to become better version of me. I wanna enhance my speaking skills, my communication skills, and my intrapersonal skills. I hope you bear with me. I'm really not used to talking in front of the camera and talking in front of so many people. I just hope that you will be with me in this journey of becoming a better version of ourselves. I hope to see you guys again in my next video. That's it for now. Bye.